Welcome back, 1314 box break. There's your serial number. Let's dig into it. All cards, hits, and commons.
It's stuck.
There we go. There'll be a bonus pack in here. I think Upper Deck Ice. What do we always pull? A Montreal one. Was it Tenorti? Pulled like 3 of those.
Something like that.
Maybe we'll pull somebody different. Evander Kane, Winnipeg. Kyle Turris, Ottawa. We have a Dougie Gilmore. Triple Diamond, Toronto. Pretty little white card. Helps me with the shipping. Alish Hemsky, Edmonton. Derek Stepan, New York Rangers.
Teddy Purcell, Tampa Bay. Alexander Burrows, Vancouver. Oh, we got a triple diamond rookie gem for the Nashville Predators, Austin Watson. Oh, pretty spacer card, Paul Stastny. And Kari Lettinen.
Sean Horkoff, Edmonton. We have a Ruby card, Vincent Lecavalier. On the back is a Philly card. This is 7 out of 50. I'll show you the back. There you go. Got a triple diamond, Tanner Pearson, LA Kings. Pretty little white card. Got a Jamie Benn, Dallas. Sam Gagne, Edmonton.
Jeff Skinner, Carolina. Justin Williams, LA. Devin Setaguchi, Minnesota. Pretty white one. Shea Weber, Nashville Predators. And Michael Grabner, New York Islanders.
Jack Johnson, Columbus. Nicholas Cronwall, Detroit. John Tavares, All-Star, Quad Diamond, New York Islanders. Nice pull. Brad Richards, Rangers. Henrik Sedin, Vancouver.
David Legwand, Nashville. Brandon Saad, Chicago. Double diamond, Ryan Kessler, Vancouver. Pretty spacer, David Backus, St. Louis. And Corey Schneider, Vancouver.
Nabokov, Islanders. Jakub Voracek, Philly. Dustin Jeffrey, Pittsburgh. Pretty white one. Pascal Dupuis, Pittsburgh Penguins. Jonas Hiller, Anaheim.
Got P.A. Parento for the Avalanche. We got Ray Whitney for the Dallas Stars. We got a double diamond of Vancouver Canucks, Marcus Naslund. And then we got a double diamond jersey for Mikhail Grigorenko for the Buffalo Sabres. Nice 2-color jersey card there. Andre Pavlik for the Winnipeg Jets. And Matt Duchene for the Colorado Avalanche.
Way to go, Buffalo. Dan Boyle, San Jose Sharkies. Slava Voinov, LA Kings. We have a triple diamond. Joachim Nordstrom, Chicago Blackhawks. Pretty white card. Cody Hodgson, Buffalo. Justin Falk, Carolina.
Yuri Talusti, Hurricanes. Jonathan Bernier, Kings. Braden Holtby, double diamond, card number 107 for the Washington Capitals. Braden Holtby. Pretty spacer card. We got a Rafi Torres for the Sharks. And Martin St. Louis for the Tampa Bay Lightning.
Michael Ryder, Montreal. David Clarkson, Jersey. Nicholas Lidstrom, triple diamond, Detroit. We have a double jersey, Dougie Hamilton. I don't know. I'm just saying that looks like a nice card. Ray Emery, Chicago. Jake Muzzin, LA.
We got Logan Couture for the Sharks. Bobby Ryan for the Ducks. David Krejci for the Bruins. Pretty spacer, Eric Stahl for the Hurricanes. And Thomas Fleischman for the Panthers.
Chris Stewart, St. Louis Blues. Tyler Bozak, Maple Leafs. Double diamond, Montreal. Vincent Damphousse. Pretty white one. Lars Ellers, Montreal. Adam Henrique, New Jersey.
Thomas Vokoun, Pittsburgh. We have Joe Thornton for the Sharks. We have Elias Lindholm for the Carolina Hurricanes. Quad Diamond, card number 228. Pretty White Spacer. Oliver Ekman-Larsson. And Simone Dupre for the Penguins.
Zdeno Chara, Boston. Michael Backlund, Calgary. We have a Quad Diamond, Pavel Bure, Vancouver. Christopher Stieg, Florida. Ryan Suter, Minnesota.
Max Pacioretty, Montreal. We got Sergei Kostitsyn for the Nashville Predators. We got Joe Pavelski for the San Jose Sharks. Pretty White Spacer. We got Derek Roy for the Vancouver Canucks. And Blake Wheeler for the Winnipeg Jets.
Craig Anderson, Ottawa. Martin Hansel, Arizona, Phoenix. Triple Diamond, Peter Forsberg, Colorado. Saku Koivu, Anaheim. Steve Ott, Buffalo.
Alex Pietrangelo, St. Louis. Fraser McLaren, Toronto Maple Leafs. We got Double Diamond, Roberto Luongo for the Vancouver Canucks. Double Diamond. Pretty White Spacer. Patrick Elias for the Devils. And Brian Elliott for the St. Louis Blues.
Alex Tangay, Calgary. Andrew Shaw, Chicago. We have a Boone Jenner, Quad Diamond, Columbus, rookie. Always seem to pull him. Jason Palmanville, Minnesota. Mike Fisher, Nashville.
I have the ice pack, so I'll wait.
I want the ice pack. I'll thumb wrestle you for it.
No.
Ah, you got bigger thumbs than I do. You'll probably win. Mike Ribeiro, Washington. Marian Hossa, Chicago. Daniel Sedin, Vancouver, Double Diamond. James Van Riemsdyk, Toronto. Andrew Ladd, Winnipeg. And last but not least,
We got Martin Brodeur for the ice pack. I'll open it over here so we can see it. We have Mike Green for the Washington Capitals ice pack. Oh, I see the 88 of Patrick Kane for the Chicago Blackhawks for the ice pack. And we got Evgeny Malkin. And our ice rookie is, Brock Nelson.
congratulations,
For the
Islanders.
New York Islanders. Numbered out of 999, number 824, card number 60.
Nice. Pretty sure that's worth a few bucks.
And, of course, Evgeny Malkin's there.
Alright, thank you for 13-14. Next box break will be 13-14 Upper Deck Series 1. See you later!